Discrimination and attacks against Muslims and Palestinians in the U.S. have now reached an all-time high.
The Council on American-Islamic Relations released its annual civil rights report today. The organization says it took in 8,000 bias reports in 2023. That's a 56% rise over 2022. Half of them were reported in the last 3 months of the year after the October 7th Hamas attack on Israel. 15% of the complaints involved employment bias. 8.5% involved schools, including colleges and universities, and 7.5% involved allegations of hate crimes.
Joining us now with more on the report is the legal director for the Council on American-Islamic Relations in Los Angeles, Amar Shobayek. Thank you so much for being with us. We really appreciate it. You know, as we dive in and look at these numbers, first of all, they're very concerning. They're this high. But are these complaints a direct result that you're seeing of the Israel-Hamas war? And we know your organization has called for a ceasefire in Gaza, and more than a week ago, Governor Newsom had that same call to action. Are these new numbers helping to solidify support elsewhere for a ceasefire now?
Yeah, good morning. Thank you for having us. Yeah, unfortunately, the events in Gaza and the continuing assault on the Gaza Strip and the assault on Palestinian rights and the deaths of countless civilians in Palestine has had a real impact here in America as well. Unfortunately, we've seen, increased rhetoric in terms of anti-Palestinian rhetoric, Islamophobic rhetoric, broad stroke stereotyping of these communities. And this leads to direct incidents of hate that occur here in America. Unfortunately, as you mentioned, the large percentage of the complaints that we received in 2023 were in fact in that last quarter of 2023 when, violence was escalating in the region. So what happens overseas, unfortunately, has a direct impact here. And not only does it have a direct impact here in terms of the hate crimes and the hate incidents that we're seeing, whether in public places, in employment, in schools. But many people in the community also know people or are people who have lost several family members. You can ask anyone in the community and they would know someone who's lost, tens of family members in Gaza or hundreds of family members in Gaza. So unfortunately, what happens overseas, again, has a very direct impact to those folks in our community locally as well.
Yeah, the tensions are so high right now, especially here in the U.S., where we have, both communities. We have a huge Jewish community here in Los Angeles and also a huge Muslim community. What should someone who's experiencing a threat do? And what is your message to so many other people in our community who are experiencing loss and fear following the October 7th attack?
Yeah, definitely. So in terms of if someone is a victim of a hate crime, if it's safe to do so, you definitely want to try to document as much as possible. You want to call police to make sure that there's, a response and it's documented. And then you want to report it to organizations like CARE or other governmental organizations that take in incidents of hate crimes and can provide support and can provide folks resources to better help address the incidents that they're facing. In terms of recommendations for folks to help, address some of the issues that we're seeing, one is we're continuing to call for folks to support a ceasefire, to call their local elected officials, and to call, on the Biden administration to call for a permanent ceasefire and end the bloodshed in Gaza. Again, the events over there have a direct and real impact here.
We see these numbers. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, and I was going to say as well, unfortunately, we've also seen a lot of suppression of speech that touches on folks who are advocating for ceasefires or advocating for the human rights of Palestinians. So one thing to also recognize is that to protect and to respect the free speech calling for humanitarian rights for Palestinians.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being with us. We've run out of time. We could continue talking to you for quite a while. Thank you. And I'm sure we'll keep checking in.
Appreciate your time. Thank you.